Hey all you cool cats and kittens, I'm Jody Dahmer with Beargrass Thunder. We got a wonderful show for you today. We're gonna go more in depth on the cuttings that we did in the previous video. We want to show you how they're doing so far. This is something anyone can do with just a simple pair of scissors. Be sure to disinfect the blades after you cut each plant. You don't want to transfer disease to another plant. Just use some rubbing alcohol, hand sanitizer, vodka. You just want to make sure that when you're doing this, you don't transfer diseases across the neighborhood when you're trying to get trees you like. So let's show off some plants. So we got a lot of growth actually off the spice bush. You can see that these buds have actually swollen up and they're getting the little leaves. So eventually, once these buds actually put out leaves, that plant is going to convert that energy into building out roots. You have to make sure that you don't get these too wet, otherwise all kinds of bacteria and fungus will grow. And you also want to make sure you know what kind of medium you're putting these plants into. If you just dig up soil from your yard, there could be something in it that may kill these small plants. So I would recommend using some sterile potting mix. You got all kinds of different things out there, but you know, just make sure that you're not doing this without taking some precautions. So the tree that I was able to plant in my back garden, thanks to Trees Louisville, is a sourwood tree, and it was actually forked at the base so that it had two different leading branches growing out of it. And so eventually, if you have a forked tree like that, it's going to cause a lot of unnecessary splitting because each branch is trying to be the dominant branch, and it's just going to eventually rip the tree apart. So I cut those off, and I decided to, why not try to make my own little trees with them. So these are all from one branch of the sourwood tree, and you can see that they've already started to bud out and put out leaves. Now this is sterile potting mix. I've made sure to keep this moist. Again, you need to keep these out of direct sunlight and make sure that they're retaining moisture. You don't want to have too much because it could drown the tree, but you also don't want them to dry out because right now these don't have roots. And so the only way that they're getting water is just through that little bit of moisture in the soil right now. Again, you know, just have fun with it. This isn't an exact science. Some will die, some may root. And it's also really important that you know that some plants do not do cuttings. When you're looking at a plant that has a deep taproot, like an oak tree or a hickory nut, those are not really suitable to use as cuttings. You have to have that taproot to begin that tree. But for other trees, especially fruit trees, any kind of understory tree that you like say a redbud, a dogwood, you can definitely try those out. Just make sure to ask permission, and also make sure that you're taking the proper precautions. Sterilize the equipment. You don't want to accidentally bring a disease onto your neighbor's yard just because you're snipping off a branch of her tree. So, you know, have fun out there, guys. I really hope you enjoy your isolation vacation with Beargrass Thunder. And feel free to like and subscribe to our videos and content. We really couldn't do this without you guys. Check out our Patreon and have a great rest of your day.